Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate Flashusdt. First, we need a cold wallet. We can perform this process using MetaMask or Trust Wallet. First, I will show you how to create Flashusdt using MetaMask. After typing MetaMask into Google, we click on the first link that appears and then install our MetaMask application on your Google browser. After installing our MetaMask application, we click on the MetaMask icon at the top right and log into our MetaMask account. After logging into our MetaMask account, click on the three dots on the right and select the import token option. By typing USDT and selecting the Tether USD option, we create our account by importing it. The Flashusdt we will create will come to this area, to this wallet. Friends, in order to generate Flashusdt, we need to have a certain amount of Ethereum in our account. I have tabulated this for you. To produce Flashusdt worth $30,000, we need 0.03 Ethereum. To produce Flashusdt worth $50,000, we need 0.05 Ethereum. To produce $100,000 worth of Flashusdt, we need at least 0.1 Ethereum in our account. Today I will show you how to create Flashusdt worth $50,000. After loading the necessary Ethereum into our account, we can move on to the second part. In the second part, the site where we will create this Flashusdt is remix.ethereum, a smart contract site. Click on the first link that appears and then we see a page like this. On this page, click on the Create New File option located at the top left corner and type in USDT. After typing USDT, we need to enter the necessary code here to generate Flashusdt. You can also obtain this code through the ChatGPT artificial intelligence tool. I will leave the link in the description for you. Let's start this way. Copy all the code here. Go back to the Remix Ethereum site, right click and paste. After pasting the code, we click on the Solidity Compile option on the left side. The point you need to pay attention to here, we need to find the 0.6.6 option in the option located in this area. After finding this option, we mark it and click on the Compile USDT option. After clicking, we immediately click the Deploy Run Transaction option under the Solidity Compile option, guys. We need to connect our MetaMask account here, everyone. Click on the section located here and choose the Injected Provider MetaMask option to connect your MetaMask account here, everyone. Once the connection is established, we can proceed with our operations, everyone. The account connection is completed, as you can see. Our account is visible here now. We go down to the lower section and write Tether in the token name part and USTD in the token symbol part, friends. Then we click on the transact option and we type 1 in the gas fee section here and click on confirm, friends. We approve the confirmation prompt that appears in MetaMask, friends. Thanks to the smart contract we created here, we will create our Flashusdt, friends. Once completed, you will see the smart contract address we created here, friends. Yes, as you can see, our smart contract address has been created here. Now, friends, we need to load Ethereum equivalent to the amount of Flashusdt we want to create to this smart contract address we created. For that, we need to click the copy address option in this section and go to the Etherscan site. Etherscan shows all transactions website. Here, after we paste the code we copied and press the search button, yes. You can see there is currently no Ethereum in our account. We need to load the necessary amount of Ethereum into this account. We copy this address again and go to our monet, our metamask application, friends. After entering our metamask application, we press the send button and paste the address we copied. The amount of ethereum we want to create with 0.05. So we will produce Flashusdt worth $50,000. I'm clicking the continue button. I'm confirming again. I'm sending Ethereum to the smart contract address I created in the amount of Flashusdt I want to create. Soon you will see the Ethereum we sent here. Sometimes these processes can take a bit of time, friends. I'm refreshing the page again, friends. Yes, it's completed, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, the Ethereum we sent to our smart contract address. Yes, it is visible in our account. We go back to the Remix Ethereum site again. Yes, as you can see, it also appeared in our account here, friends. Now, the process we need to do, friends, we click the start button to create Flashusdt, friends. After clicking the start button, we write one in the gas fee section again to ensure there are no issues with the transaction. Then we click the confirm option, friends. Again.
We confirm again in the metamask option, friends.
Our Flashusdt production has started, friends, and soon it will conclude positively and inform us here. We are currently in a waiting state, friends. These processes can sometimes take time. So I would appreciate it if you don't show impatience, friends. Also, friends, I will leave all the links I use in these applications in the description section of the video for you to make it easier for you to perform this process. Yes, as you can see, our Flash tokens have been created, friends. Now we need to transfer these Flash tokens we created to our account, friends. Now, after that, we need to click on the withdrawal option, friends. After clicking on the withdrawal option, the Flashusdt worth $50,000 we created will be reflected in our MetaMask account, friends. After clicking, we set the gas fee again and click on the confirm option, friends. We say confirm again on the opened MetaMask account. While doing this process, there are very small fee charges, friends. Don't let this scare you. Right now. It's ending again, friends. It will be completed again shortly after completing the $50,000 value we created. It will appear in our Flashusdt MetaMask account. Friends. Yes, friends. As you can see, it has been approved. Now we can check our MetaMask account and see the tokens we received, friends. Yes, as you can see, friends, our Flashusdt worth $50,000 has been reflected in our account, friends. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. I left the necessary links in the description. If you experience any issues, you can mention them in the comments section. Friends, I will try to respond as much as I can. Goodbye. See you in the next video.